Hello learners, welcome back to our English Learning and Story channel Learn to Speak. In today's video, we are going to learn English in a simple and easy way. You will listen to a story, understand new words, and learn how to use them in real life. This learning style is very simple. Listen carefully, understand the meaning, repeat the sentences, learn new words naturally, improve your English every day. So sit comfortably, relax your mind, and enjoy today's learning story. Let's begin. Our journey of learning English. Together, let's begin. Arjun was born in a small town near the mountains. His father was a mechanic. His mother worked in a tailor shop. They didn't have much money, but they had a lot of love. Arjun loved sitting on the roof at night and watching the stars. He always said, "One day, I will become an engineer and build something that will help people." His parents always encouraged him. They said, "Study well, work hard, and your dreams will come true." Arjun was a bright student. He always sat in the front row. He loved science, maths, and drawing. His notebooks were full of small machines he imagined. Every teacher loved him. He was kind, helpful, and polite. Life was simple, peaceful, and full of hope. But life changes, sometimes too quickly. When Arjun was 14, something tragic happened. One evening, his father was returning home from work. A truck lost control and crashed into him. He did not survive. The news broke Arjun completely. His mother cried for days. Their home became silent, dark, and empty. Arjun stopped talking. He stopped studying. He felt lost, confused, and weak. He wondered, why did this happen to us? Why my father? His mother tried to stay strong, but she was breaking inside. Bills were increasing, food was becoming less, debt was growing. Arjun knew he had to help. He started delivering newspapers early in the morning. After school, he worked in a small grocery shop. Life was no longer easy. Life was now survival. As years passed, Arjun grew older, but problems also grew. His mother fell sick often, medicine was expensive, school fees were due, electricity was cut several times. Sometimes Arjun studied under a streetlight. Sometimes he studied without dinner. At school, students from rich families laughed at his old clothes. But Arjun stayed silent. Inside, he felt pain. But he also felt determination. He kept repeating to himself, "I must study. I must become successful. I must change my life." But life tested him again. When Arjun was 17, he prepared for his final board exams. He studied late nights. He solved hundreds of questions. He believed this was his chance. But a week before the exam, his mother was hospitalized. She was diagnosed with a serious illness. Arjun spent days running between hospital, home, and work. He was tired, scared, and stressed. On the first day of the exam, he was late. He reached the hall 10 minutes after the bell. The teacher refused to allow him in. Arjun stood outside the classroom, crying. He failed the year. For the first time in his life, he felt like giving up. He thought, maybe dreams are only for rich people, not for someone like me. He stopped studying for several months. One evening, Arjun was sitting alone in a park. His eyes were tired, his mind was heavy. An old man sat beside him and asked, "Son, why do you look so sad?" Arjun told him everything, about his father, his mother, his failure, and his struggles. The old man listened silently and then said something powerful. "Sometimes life breaks you so that you grow stronger. Sometimes you fall so that you learn how to get up." He continued, "If you stop now, life wins. If you rise again, you win." These words went deep into Arjun's heart. He felt something inside him change. He went home, picked up his books, and whispered, "I will try again. No matter how hard." That night, Arjun began a new journey. Arjun planned his studies. He made a timetable. He stopped wasting time. He asked teachers for help. He joined free online classes. He practiced questions daily. He worked in the evenings and studied at night. Slowly, he improved. Slowly, his confidence returned. His mother saw his efforts and smiled proudly. She said, "Your father is watching you. He will be proud." Finally, the exam day came again. This time, Arjun reached early. He wrote answers with clarity and confidence. When results came, he passed with excellent marks. It was a victory he earned, not by luck, but by hard work. Arjun applied for an engineering scholarship. He worried he wouldn't get selected. Thousands of students applied, but 3 months later, a letter arrived. "Congratulations. You have been awarded a full engineering scholarship." Arjun cried with happiness. His mother hugged him tightly. Their small home was filled with joy for the first time in years. He left for the city to study. The college was big, modern, and full of opportunities. At first, he struggled. Students spoke better English. They had laptops, resources, and money. He had nothing, but he didn't give up. He spent extra hours in the library. He watched videos. He practiced daily. Slowly, he became one of the top students. After 4 years, Arjun graduated with top marks. Companies began offering him jobs. He accepted a good engineering job with a great salary. He moved his mother to a comfortable home. He paid all old debts. He bought new clothes, new furniture, and medicine for her. For the first time, life felt stable, but Arjun didn't stop there. He wanted to help children like him, so he created a small free coaching center for poor students. He told them, "If I can rise, you can too. Your struggles don't define you, your courage does." His story inspired hundreds. Arjun looked back at his journey: poverty, losing his father, his mother's illness, failing his exam, working multiple jobs, being laughed at, studying under streetlights. But through all this, he learned one thing: life will push you down, but you must choose to rise. And that choice changes everything. Thank you for listening to this long motivational English story. If you enjoyed it, please like, share, and subscribe. See you in the next story. Remember, no matter how hard life becomes, never stop trying.